Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Dear viewers, remember that vocabulary helps in communication and more words, more confidence. We are practicing 10 words a day. It's a 5 minutes spending for building vocabulary. So let's start our 6-day vocabulary building program. We'll practice 10 words and I hope that you have practiced 50 words in earlier 5 videos. If not, please go back and watch day 1, 2, 3 and 5 videos. And now in this video we'll practice 10 new words to build your vocabulary. And remember, practice makes a man perfect.
एक्विएसेंस खामोशी से मान लेना, इताअत, रजामंदी. कंप्लायंस, एग्रीमेंट, consent. Antonym, resistance. Sentence: his acquiescence surprised everyone. Acquiesce, इत्फाक करना, रजामंद होना, मान लेना. Meaning in English: accept, agree, consent. Antonym: refuse. Sentence: they acquiesced to the proposal. Acquaintance, जान पहचान, शनासाई, वाकफियत. Meaning in English: familiarity, knowledge, awareness. Antonym: ignorance. Sentence: I have some acquaintance with him. Acme, बुलंद तरीन मुकाम, चोटी, अरूज. English meaning: summit, peak, highest point. Antonym: bottom. Sentence: she reached the acme of success. Acknowledge, मान लेना, इकरार करना, तस्लीम करना. Admit, accept, recognize. Antonym: deny. Sentence: he acknowledged his mistake. Addle, उलझन में डालना, परेशान करना. English meaning: to confuse, bewilder, muddle. Antonym: clarify. Sentence: the difficult question addled the students. Adhere, चिमटना, पाबंद रहना. Meaning in English: stick, cling, obey. Antonym: detach. Sentence: always adhere to the rules. Adherent, हामी, पैरोकार. Meaning in English: supporter, follower, devotee. Antonym: opponent. Sentence: he is an adherent of justice. Adjacent, मुल्हिक, साथ वाला. Meaning in English: contiguous, adjoining, neighboring. Antonym: distant. Sentence: our school is adjacent to the park. Admiration, तारीफ, इज्जत, कदर. Meaning in English: respect, esteem, appreciation. Antonym: contempt. Sentence: she looked at her teacher with admiration. That you will practice these words in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching and connecting with me.